Keep on walking, keep on walking. Sa pila di kano si telai si nang boundary je ki band.
Views come to know it's having little lower area. So like kind of tourist kind of thing, right? Sorry,
Kapag nakapaya ko puta. Lip gloss ka.
Vlogging followers, which is going to record candid.
Keep on walking towards the door from that side.
Do not cross the boundary.
Look around. Che, aduh ko kita halau kantor dia ba? Bukan thong mag yang thong ba?
Come in between, like how Karunya has come, Shaswati come there. Karunya come outside, Gomati come outside.
Joining the bushes, it's a smile.
Nabarita close aja.
Those boundaries, there, the ribbon, the area.
But yeah, some restaurants. Delphin. What a pyramid, right? Oh, sige sige. Yay to ira bang alega.
Asing bahayaragadi ay da mapalamda matam khara lairubaga chahi ahum gumba suri aina Govindaji ki kaino sida mafam sida lakpa phangdabase ado chahi ahum gi matung da laaga haje akhoi myam punna khoiramaga akhoi gi numittu da soida ngamdaba pinabiyu ana ek tengak thokpiyu haina nijaba phangbase yam nungai aduga wana hon tha ma hena wana honarakpado awabang aktane ba namana haidi energy loinmak drain tawini mentally stress tawini ado sidala akanda yamna peaceful oibdo khoi gi negativity leramba pumna mak loina mak positivity da on thokpado adu phange na khale ado yam nungai.
This temple is very beautiful and it's very big, and the energy over here is amazing. It's so much of positive energy over here, and I feel so peaceful after coming here. It's so much of internal peace. I love it. This dress is so comfortable.
Kurimjari, I'm Gomati Reddy, Fmi Miss India Andhra Pradesh 2023. And today we're here at this beautiful temple. The second we entered over here, the energy in this temple is incredible. Sometimes we just need the time for reassurance and believing in ourselves and just praying to God. It really helps us to center ourselves. And I'm wearing this beautiful attire over here, and it makes us all feel so pretty and elegant. So thank you, Manipur, for being so warm and kind to all of us.
I think the moment we wore this outfit and set foot in the temple, our minds were filled with calm and positivity, and that is something we required at this phase because we're very close to the finale. We have a roller coaster of emotions going on in our mind, and we came in here especially to pray for ourselves and each other. And I think that is the beauty that this place holds. It has really set our mind to calm and given us positive energy to strive towards our finale. So thank you so much. Thank you so much, Manipur, for always being warm and welcoming to us. We're really grateful with all our hearts. Thank you.